Welcome back to the Perfect Cut tutorial by Polar Lab. Today we are introducing the Snap-Off Cutter. This is our specially designed cutter for the use of both hands. The knurled screw on the back of the cutter is for attaching different modules. For replacing the blade, we remove the cap from the end of the cutter. Then remove the screw on the blade mount. This way, the blade and the mount could be ejected easily. To convert to a left-handed style, simply flip the blade and remount it on the mount. Then put them back into the tube. Additionally, the end cap is capable of snapping off the blade. Simply insert the blade into the gap of the cap and snap. Now you have a sharp blade again.